Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to implement mouse dragging, rotation and scaling of 3D game objects in Unity. And drag, rotate, and scale 3D game objects through finger touch on the touch screen or mobile phone screen. It's really super simple. First download the tool here. I have put the download link below the video. Then import this tool into your own project. I have prepared two identical game scenes. In this game scene, there is only one game character that is always in idle animation state. First open the first game scene I prepared. Add a box collider to this 3D game character. Adjust the size of the box collider. Then bind this script to this game character. Adjust the parameters of the script. Viewers who don't know how to adjust parameters can refer to the demo scene. Mouse control of 3D game objects is complete. Next we explain how to control game objects by finger touch. Open another prepared game scene. Add a box collider to the game character. Adjust the size of the box collider. Bind this script to the game character. Then adjust the script parameters. Viewers who don't know how to adjust can refer to the demo scene. Then build and run it on your mobile phone to see the effect. See how simple it is. If you have any questions, please leave a message and let me know. By the way, this tool is great for developing AR programs. Thank you all for watching. Please like and follow me.